Take out the machine. Install the handle and the power cord. Wet the cotton pad with the makeup remover. Remove the makeup at face. Clean the face with face wash. Press toner evenly on face with cotton pad. Face massage. Apply massage cream on face evenly. Lift with the ring fingers and middle fingers of both hands from nose ring, next labial folds to the temple. Operate for 3 to 5 times. Lift the cheeks with the ring fingers and middle fingers of both hands for 3 to 5 times. Lift with the ring fingers and middle fingers of both hands alternately from the eyebrow to the hairline for 3 times. Relax eyes. Stroke with the ring fingers and middle fingers of both hands together from inner corner of the eye, along the below the eyelid, to the outer corner of the eye, back and forth for 3 times. Press the following acupoints with the middle fingers of both hands: 睛明 BL1, 童子料 GB1, and the temple. Lift with the ring fingers and the middle fingers of both hands together from the inner corner of the eye, eyebrow to the temple. Operate for 2 times. Press the following acupoints with the middle fingers of both hands: 睛明 BL1, 喘足 BL2, 鱼腰 EM3. Move in circles with the ring fingers and middle fingers of both hands and periocular area to relax eyes for 3 times. Apply toner on face with cotton pads. Take off the liquid bottle. Fill facial anti-aging essence and install the bottle back. Please note, do not fill any dense products because the dense liquid cannot flow out from the bottle. Turn on the device. Set energy level to 5. Set time to 10 minutes. Then start. Move upwards in circles from chin to the temple for 3 times. Lift upwards from chin to earlobe, from mouth corner to ear gate, from nose wing to the temple. Operate for 3 times. Do the same to the other side. Move in circles horizontally from forehead to hairline for 3 times. Lift from forehead to hairline for 3 times. Turn off the machine. Take off the liquid bottle. Refill the eye essence. Turn on the device. Set energy level to full. Set time to 5 minutes. Then start. Move in small circles from inner corner of the eye to the temple for 3 times. Lift from the inner corner of the eye along the below the eyelid to the outer corner of the eye. Operate for 3 times. Lift from the outer corner of the eye to hairline for 3 times. Lift from the inner corner of the eye along the upper eyelid to the end of brow. Operate for 3 times. Do the same to other side. Turn off the machine. Apply eye mask and facial mask for 15 minutes. Remove the masks and clean the face. Apply toner on face with cotton pad. Care the skin. Clean the liquid bottle and the handle.